A&E, Alarm and Event. AAM, Advanced Alarm Management. ACE, Advanced Control Environment. ADC, Analog to Digital Conversion. AMS, Asset Management System. APC, Advanced Process Control. BN, Bentley Nevada. BMS, Burner Management System. CAD, Computer Aided Design. CB, Circuit Breaker. CCC, Compressor Controls Corporation. CCS, Compressor Controls System, Anti-Surge. CCTV, Closed Circuit Television System. CDA, Control Data Access. CDS, Central Degassing Station. CEE, Control Execution Environment. CM, Control Module. CPU, Central Processing Unit. DA, Data Access. DAC, Digital to Analog Conversion. DC, Domain Controller. DCS, Distributed Control System. DSA, Distributed System Architecture. DVM, Digital Video Manager. ECC, Emergency Control Center. EDP, Emergency Depressurization System. EMDB, Enterprise Model Database. EMI, Electromechanical Interference. ESD, Emergency Shutdown System. FACP, Fire Alarm Control Panel. F&G, Fire and Gas Detection System. FAS, Fire Alarm System. FAT, Factory Acceptance Test. FDM, Field Device Manager. FDS, Functional Design Specification. FEED, Front-End Engineering and Design. FGS, Fire and Gas System. FLD, Functional Logic Diagram. FO, Fiber Optic. FS, Fire Station. FTA, Field Terminal Assembly. FTE, Fault Tolerant Ethernet. GBIC, Gigabit Interface Converter. GPS, Global Positioning System. H2S, Hydrogen Sulfide. HART, Highway Addressable Remote Transducer. HAZOPS, Hazard and Operability Study. HMI, Human Machine Interface. HSE, Health, Safety and Environment. HVAC, Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning. IO, Input-Output. ICS, Integrated Control System. IES, Instrument Equipment Shelter. IFAT, Integrated Factory Acceptance Test. IOM, Input-Output Module. IOTA, Input-Output Termination Assembly. IP Code, Ingress Protection Code. IPCS, Integrated Protection and Control System. IRP, Interposing Relay Panel. IS, Intrinsically Safe. ISAT, Integrated Site Acceptance Test. LAN, Local Area Network. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LIMS, Laboratory Information Management System. LMS, Load Management System. LSD, Large Screen Display. MA, Milliampere. MCB, Main Control Building or Main Circuit Breaker. MCC, Motor Control Center. MCP, Manual Call Point. MCR, Main Control Room. MEDE, Microsoft Excel Data Exchange. MMS, Machine Monitoring System. MOC, Management of Change. MOS, Maintenance Override Switch. MOV, Motor Operated Valve. MTBF, Mean Time Between Failure. MTTF, Mean Time to Failure. MTTR, Mean Time to Repair. MVC, Multivariable Control System. NGL, Natural Gas Liquids. OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer. OLE, Object Linking and Embedding. OPC, OLE for Process Control. OTS, Operator Training Simulator. P&ID, Piping and Instrumentation Diagram. PA, Public Address. PCC, Production Control Center. PCN, Process Control Network. PhD, Process Historian Database. PID, Proportional Integral Derivative. PIMS, Plant Information Management System. PKS, Process Knowledge System. PLC, Programmable Logic Controller. PMC, Project Management Company. PMS, Power Management System. PMT, Project Management Team. PPS, Parameters per Second. RAP, Remote Annunciator Panel. RAM, Random Access Memory. RCI, Remote Communication Interface. RFI, Radio Frequency Interference. RI, Remote Instrument Enclosure. ROM, Read-Only Memory. RTD, Resistance Temperature Detector. RTIS, Real-Time Information System. RTU, Remote Terminal Unit. RUIP, Removal and Insertion Under Power. SAT, Site Acceptance Test. SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System. SCM, Sequence Control Module. SER, Sequence of Events Recorder. SIL, Safety Integrity Level. SMC, Supervisory Monitoring and Control System. SOE, Sequence of Events. SPI InTools, Smart Plant Instrumentation powered by InTools. SRU, Sulfur Recovery Unit. TBD, to be determined. TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. TCS, Turbine Control System. UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply. VDU, Visual Display Unit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA.